The Chernobyl nuclear explosion. On April 26, 1986, the world witnessed one of the worst nuclear disasters in history, the explosion at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Pripyat, near Chernobyl, in the former Soviet Union, now Ukraine. The catastrophic event occurred during a late-night safety test in Reactor 4 of the plant, which went terribly wrong due to a combination of design flaws and operator errors. The test was meant to simulate a power outage and test whether the reactor could be cooled during such a scenario. However, several critical safety protocols were ignored. Operators disabled key safety systems, and when the reactor became unstable, a sudden power surge occurred. Within seconds, 2 explosions tore through Reactor 4, blowing off its roof and exposing the core to the atmosphere. This released massive amounts of radioactive materials, including iodine-131, cesium-137, and strontium-90. Firefighters and plant workers rushed to the scene, unaware of the high radiation levels. Many received lethal doses of radiation, and 2 workers died on the night of the explosion. In the weeks that followed, 28 more people died from acute radiation sickness. Thousands more would suffer long-term health consequences, including cancers and birth defects. The Soviet government initially tried to cover up the disaster. It wasn't until radiation was detected in Sweden, over 10 kilometers away, that the world learned of the incident. Eventually, over 100 people were evacuated from the surrounding areas, and a 30-kilometer exclusion zone was established. To contain the radioactive materials, a massive concrete sarcophagus was built over the destroyed reactor. In recent years, a more durable steel structure known as the new safe confinement was completed in 2016 to prevent further radioactive leakage. The Chernobyl disaster had profound global effects. It raised awareness about the dangers of nuclear power, led to changes in safety protocols, and sparked international cooperation on nuclear safety. The incident also contributed to the eventual fall of the Soviet Union, as it exposed the flaws in the Soviet system and the lack of transparency. Today, Chernobyl stands as a stark reminder of the potential dangers of nuclear energy when not managed responsibly. The abandoned city of Pripyat and the haunting remains of Reactor 4 have become a symbol of human error, technological risk, and the importance of safety in the modern world.